It's really pretty simple. 1600. Note the little filter basket in the bottom there. Keeps it off the ground. Pop them in. Hit start. That's it. Okay, and she's wrapping up here. Just so you know, I'm using the EMSON Montebello. It's an organic spaghetti from their own farms where they grow natural wheat and pull it through brass strainers to actually make the spaghetti pieces. It really does make a difference. And you see it's been boiling away in there. Very cute. The handles are also serving size pieces. 2 servings.
Are human beings inherently good? Are we born with a sense of morality? Or do we arrive blank slates waiting for the world?
And I got a half a dozen meatballs already pre-made.
Worse, do we start out nasty, selfish devils who need parents, teachers, and
got those in the refrigerated meat counter. Give that a quick minute. And shazam! I have spaghetti and meatballs.